Now, the Supreme Court has dismissed an appeal filed by the People's Democratic Party challenging the election of Yahaya Bello as governor of Kogi State. In a related development, the Apex Court also dismissed the suit filed by the Social Democratic Party and its candidate, Natasha Akpoti. In a unanimous judgment, a 7-member panel held that the appellant failed to prove allegations of overvoting and malpractice. Joining me for more updates is TVC News correspondent Celestina Area. Celestina, the Supreme Court has dismissed the appeal of the candidate of the PDP. Can you talk us or take us through how this judgment was arrived at?
Well, these appeals that were filed today came from the trial tribunal. There were 4 appeals that were filed against the election of Yahaya Bello as the governor of the state. But at the trial tribunal, the APP, the DPP, the PDP, and the SDP filed a petition challenging the election. At the tribunal, the petitions were dismissed. That of the PDP was dismissed with a dissenting judgment as a 2-1, a 2-majority-to-1 dissenting judgment. But at the appeal court, the appeals were also filed. But out of the 4 petitioners, just 3 were able to file within the stipulated time because no election petitions are pre-generic. So at the Court of Appeals, the court also dismissed all the petitions for lacking in merit. But down to the Supreme Court, 3 appeals were filed against the election of Yahaya Bello. Last week, the court decided that of the DPP, wherein the court said that the petitioner alleged that he was unlawfully excluded. But the court held that, yes, you were not up to the age of 35 to contest the position of governor. So the INEC was right to have disqualified him from participating in the election. So today, that of the SDP and the PDP was decided. The PDP alleged that the election was marked with malfeasance, malpractice, overvoting, that the guidelines placed by INEC was not observed, and the guidelines of the Electoral Act was not up to observe. But the court held that you don't dump evidence before the court. You need to align them with the pleadings, and that SDP was also dismissed because it lacked merit.
All right, Celestina Area, thank you for bringing us details with regards to this development.